Hello, this is Mrs. Neubauer, and this is our final lesson for P is for Prince, working on our penmanship. So I hope you enjoyed all the lessons. I know I did. I always have fun teaching handwriting and printing. If you can tell, I really enjoy it. Hopefully you enjoy it too. I'll have one last joke for you. What two letters do you say when you answer the phone? L-O. Hope you enjoyed my jokes too. Okay, so the last lesson goal, which we're not really having too much of a lesson, more like the goal, is to write your end practice print sheet. So if you haven't already, you printed off your practice prints. So after you have accomplished all of your practice lessons, please print the following. Now, if you remember from lesson number 0, you started off before you touched any of my lessons. Lesson 0 was to do the beginning one. So hopefully you still have that, because you're going to take it out and you're going to compare it to the practiced one. So practice means, you know what, you practice so much. You practice lessons and lessons, letters and letters, words and words, hundreds and hundreds of them. So you're going to write hello, period. Today is, and the date, my name is first. And so I wanted you to also use the same paper. So I know that you have actually been able to write on lined paper, but I wanted you to be able to see the difference. So you can dig out your beginning one, you can compare it and see how you did. I'm hoping you see lots of improvement. I can imagine you did. I would love to see it, and I know you should be proud of all you've done. It's been really great doing these lessons. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I just want you to remember to keep practicing, and remember, it's all about progress and not perfection. Bye. Thanks so much.